I said, hey, yo, it's your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Y'all already know what I say, man. If it ain't going right for you right now, within 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, next week, man, hey, next month, you could definitely be in a better situation, man. And if you see somebody getting theirs right now, you see somebody doing their thing, man, hey, don't hate on it. Just wait on it, man. You're going to get your turn. But I'm here today to show y'all how to go live on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, man, tell y'all the truth, man. I've only done it twice, and each time, like, I still struggled to get through it. So, hey, I'm about to give myself some muscle memory and also give y'all some help. Hopefully I can put this out, man, and it can definitely help somebody out, man. Shout out to my dude, JG Innovations. I know you needed this video, man, so here you go. Let's go. First, you're going to need your phone. Then you're going to need your Pocket 3. And most importantly, you're going to need a laptop. So first, you want to turn on your Pocket 3. Then you want to go into your DJI app. Once you're in the DJI app, you just press the little camera button down at the bottom in the middle of the screen. It's going to ask you for permission, and you just hit OK. I always hit only for this time. And then it's going to try to connect to your Osmo Pocket 3. So from here, as you see, it'll open up the gallery what's saved in there. So as y'all see, the last video I was working on is there. All right, so if you go back to the camera and then slide the dial over on, as you see, it says live stream. From there, it'll pop up and show any of your handles that you have to connect, and you can also just connect them from there if you press the app. So I'll hit YouTube. You see the check mark is on it. And I'll say start live streaming. All right, it'll connect to the DJI and it'll take pretty much fully control over the device. If that makes any sense. As usual here, you'll just put in your same information like you were doing a title and everything for your live stream. So we're just going to put test and yep, no kids. We're going to make it private. And of course, we're going to try to pick the highest resolution. Don't know why it does shoot in 4K. So I don't understand why it only has 1080p on there. All right, so from there, you have everything. So from there, just go to your account, pick my YouTube account that I usually go live with, and I'm gonna hit allow. All right, so as you see, it says the live stream has started, but it's still in progress. So from there, this is why you need your laptop. You'll go on your laptop, go to your YouTube account, and then go to your YouTube Studios. All right, and when you're on your YouTube Studios, you know this shows you everything that's on your. You cannot do this on your phone. You would have to do this on a computer. So then you will go to content, go to live stream. Now as you see, when you go to this live stream, well, I did mark it as private, but we're going to do it as members only. So from there, what you would do is press this little symbol right here. And all right, you'll see it connecting to the software or the camera. And if you look over here in your right hand corner, it says go live. Click go live. And then it should be started. Well, you see the live stream is started on there, and it's still in progress, and you see it running over here. All right, let's see if we can get any of the members or anybody to join, just so you guys can see if this actually works. All right, man, you see we got our member over here, 84, so y'all see it definitely is live. All right, man, until next time. And one more thing, after you're done streaming from your camera and all, what you would do is end the stream back from your laptop, not your camera, because it will not stop. So you would have to end the stream from your laptop. So I hope this information definitely reaches somebody who need help going live with their DJI Pocket 3. Man, if you have any other questions or even suggestions and tips for me, I am new with this camera. I'm still learning how to use it. If you got some tips for me, make sure you drop it in the comments. If you're not, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man.